Did you know your washing machine needs cleaning too? Yes, the very appliance that helps you clean your clothes needs a little TLC itself to keep it working optimally. First, why should you clean your washing machine? Well, over time, soap scum, hard water deposits, and other residues can build up, leading to inefficiencies and bad odors. Not exactly what you want from your trusty cleaning companion, right? So, how do you go about this task? The process is actually quite simple. Starting off, you'll need some vinegar and baking soda, two household staples that are champions at natural cleaning. Run a hot cycle with 2 cups of white vinegar in the drum. This will break down the grime and deodorize the machine. But don't stop there. After the vinegar cycle, sprinkle a half cup of baking soda in the drum and run another hot cycle. The baking soda will further clean and freshen up your machine. Next, let's take a moment to appreciate the versatility of denture tablets. Yes, you heard right, denture tablets. They are not only great for cleaning dentures, but also for those hard-to-reach areas in your washing machine like the detergent drawer. Just dissolve a couple of tablets in water, pour the solution into the drawer, and let it do its magic. Now, onto the rubber seal around the door. This area is a notorious hiding spot for mold and mildew. A simple solution of 1 part vinegar to 4 parts water, applied with an old toothbrush, will help scrub away any lurking nasties. So to summarize, a regular cleaning routine for your washing machine involves vinegar and baking soda cycles, a little help from denture tablets, and a good scrub of the door seal. Remember, a clean washing machine means cleaner, fresher clothes, and a more efficient appliance. So the next laundry day, take a moment to give your washing machine the attention it deserves. Your clothes and your nose will thank you for it.